I'm Olga Mack. I'm the CEO of Parley Pro, which is a highly collaborative contract lifecycle management platform. Prior to becoming the CEO of Parley Pro, I had a 15-year practice career, most of which I spent in-house at the Fortune 500 company and numerous startups, including being the general counsel of one.
Hi, I'm Nina Chang, and I'm Associate General Counsel, Head of Legal at Neo4j, which is the world's leading graph database. And I've pretty much focused on startups for the last 15 years or so, getting startups and their legal departments off the ground running. So,
what is a graph database?
So a graph database has been around for about 40 years, and it's probably within the last 12 years that we finally have the computing power to make it happen. So a graph database is very different from a structured like linear database, where your data is locked up in silos. So a graph database allows you to make multiple connections much quicker and derive value from your data. And so we are seeing, we have customers in all different industries. NASA, for example, is using us, and they use us on this latest launch to make sure they had everything that they needed to go into space, for example. So it's collecting data and driving connections.
Hi, Julie Honor. I am a change management professional in my third in-house role. I, like Nina, have been with several companies, founding the legal department and starting it up and getting it going. I'm currently the general counsel at 3Q Digital, and we're a digital marketing agency. We're really focused on growth marketing and helping our clients be those disruptors and really accelerate their brand and their business.
And who are some of your clients? I just want to make sure people appreciate the impact your organization is making.
Yeah, some of our clients are LinkedIn, Facebook, a lot of really large social media platforms, and other really large Fortune 100 companies too. It's a really fun company and some fantastic clients that I'm really grateful we get to work with.
Great.
Hi, my name is James Strange. I'm an Associate General Counsel for the Center for Sustainable Energy. We're a nonprofit based in California. We have about 200 employees, and we're over 6 states, and we specialize in renewable energy advisory services and program administration. Sure. So we have a variety of clients from the private sector to government, but I think our most notable ones are maybe the California Air Resources Board. So we do all the processing for all the rebates for all EV vehicles in California. So if you've ever purchased a Tesla or a Chevy Bolt, that comes through us. We're also, getting ready to do something similar across 3 other states, in addition to, incentives for solar panels, energy storage.